The shocking truth about Riley Keough, from Elvis's granddaughter to the 2025 Travolta scandal. She was born into rock and roll royalty, but today she is Hollywood's biggest headline maker. Welcome back to FameFlash. Today we are looking at the incredible evolution of Riley Keough, from being the shy granddaughter of Elvis Presley to becoming a Netflix superstar in 2025. But that is not all. Riley is currently at the center of one of the most bizarre and shocking lawsuits in Hollywood history, involving John Travolta. How did she get here? And what is the truth behind these wild rumors? Let's dive in. Let's rewind. Riley didn't just rely on her famous last name. She started her career on the fashion runways for Dolce & Gabbana, proving she had a style of her own. But her breakout moment came in 2015 with Mad Max Fury Road. Remember the girl with the fiery red hair? That was her. Over the years, she transformed into a serious actress, earning Golden Globe nominations and proving critics wrong. But her biggest moment? That was 2023. In Daisy Jones and the Six, Riley shocked the world. She finally embraced her musical roots, singing with a voice that reminded everyone of her grandfather, Elvis. She became a global icon, a Chanel ambassador, and a mother. She seemed to have the perfect life, until December 2025. Right now, Riley is dominating Netflix with her new movie, J. Kelly, starring alongside George Clooney and Adam Sandler. But the internet is talking about something else. In a shocking turn of events this week, a lawsuit filed by a former associate of her family claims that Riley is allegedly the biological mother of John Travolta's youngest son, Ben. It sounds absolutely crazy, right? While these claims are unverified and sound like a Hollywood conspiracy, they have put Riley trending all over social media. On top of that, she just welcomed her second baby quietly earlier this year. Talk about a busy year. From a runway model to a Netflix star facing wild rumors, Riley Keough's journey has been nothing short of a movie itself. What do you think of her transformation? And have you watched her new movie yet? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to FameFlash for more deep dives. Thanks for watching.